All right, fellow Shiba Inu coin holders, today's a big day for us for the remainder of 24, which is only a couple of weeks, but more importantly, 2025. What happens to Shiba Inu coin for 2025 literally in one major way rests on what happens today. Okay, so yeah, I got your attention. Hopefully, you give me a few minutes. I want to share with you exactly what this is. We got a big thing playing out today, and I'm going to tell you what it is and try to make this as short as of a video as possible so that you're in the know and you can move on with the rest of your day. Okay, so I want to say up front, is this a sky is falling, you should sell all your Shiba Inu? No, that is not what I'm saying today. I'm simply giving you the information so that you are in the know and you understand the implications of today as it impacts your Shiba Inu holdings, as well as your other major crypto holdings, Bitcoin, XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, all of them, are impacted by what is playing out today. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you. All right, so you can see that SHIB's down about 3.5%. The overall market, as of the recording of this video, is down about 3% as well. Actually, that's come back. It was down over 4% earlier today. So that's actually a little bit of good news that it's come back a little bit. But look, in the 24-hour, you can see in this column, everything is in the red, right? 2%, 2%. XRP's down almost 4%. Dogecoin's down 3%. Cardano's down almost 6%. Everything's running in the red. Okay, here is why. Today is the day that we find out from the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting, Chairman Powell, what they're going to do about the Federal Reserve rate cuts for the 2025. Okay, so now look, don't tune me out. Don't stop the video. This is important. I'm going to make this as very short and sweet as I possibly can because this does and will impact your Shiba Inu for the remainder of 2025, because here's why. Okay, I'm going to make this as quick as possible. So we were promised by the FOMC 4 additional rate cuts to the Federal Reserve interest rate in 2025. We were promised that in September. The financial landscape has changed, okay? So now those 4 rate cuts are basically kind of off the table. We might get them as a surprise today. We might, but more importantly, we probably are not. So they're gone, okay? So now we're trying to look at, are we going to get 3 rate cuts from the Federal Reserve in 2025? And more importantly, what is going to be the tone, the verbiage that the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting is going to send to us about what the 2025 financial landscape looks like? Okay, I realize that's a lot I just said, but what you need to know is, and by the way, I know you're tired of this. Me too. I wish that the Federal Reserve and inflation would go away, right? But that's not magically going to happen overnight, because inflation means that everything you and I buy every day, gas, food, groceries, rent, more, all that stuff is higher than it was. And I'm tired of this crap. I know you are as well. Okay. But this does impact your crypto as well. All right. So what we're looking for today from the Federal Reserve at their meeting that we're going to find out about 1:30 or so East Coast time today is what they're going to do. What's going to happen. All right. Now, so four rate cuts is probably gone. Might get that as an outlier. 3 is what we're expecting. If we don't get those 3 and they say they're only going to give us 2 rate cuts in 2025, that's bad. And even worse than that is if they say that they're going to, quote, pause the rate cuts, and that's going to be really bad. You're going to see crypto go down immediately. You're going to see the stock market plummet and all this kind of stuff. Now, is this going to be the end times and you got to sell and go hide under your bed or whatever? No, that's not what I'm saying, okay? I'm just trying to give you the good and the bad about what could happen today as we roll forward with the Federal Reserve, their interest rate cut scenario playing out today. And this is going to impact your Shiba Inu. Again, I'm not telling you to go sell. Every time in the comments, you're like, does that mean I need to sell? That's not what I'm saying, okay? If you have a multi-year view of your Shiba Inu, meaning you've bought it and your plan is to hold it, for 2 or 3 years and waiting for us to hit higher multiples than where we're at today, today's irrelevant to you. Because long-term, that asset, crypto in general, but Shiba Inu in this case is going to go up, right? Because crypto in general, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years from now is going to be higher than it is today. I'm just trying to give you a little bit of fair warning about what could play out as a narrative, as a story theme, if you will, an ongoing narrative in 2025. And this will impact Shiba Inu. It'll impact every crypto you own, okay? It's a thing. All right. So again, not trying to be an alarmist here. I'm not trying to be, a negative, glass half empty over here. I'm just trying to give you the reality of what today means. And this is a big deal, okay? Because of what they're going to do or not in 2025. Okay. So that's it. That's what I got for you there. Hey, if you want help making even more money in crypto and navigating this crazy volatile time that we have coming at us, then you might ought to think about maybe taking a look at my trading indicator. Links in the description below if you're watching on YouTube. The link's above me if you're on X. Look, the software can help you make money in crypto. So like right here, this is XRP. That's a buy alert. That's a sell alert. And almost 400% in 29 days. All right. So what that means is $1,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of $3,884 in 29 days. Not bad, right? For $1 a day is about what the software costs using the discount code that's down there in the link. Okay. There's a 30-day, no questions asked money back guarantee that you can take advantage of. So you really get to try the software for free for 30 days. If you don't like it, you get a complete and instant refund. But what the software also is going to help you do is notice that this is a seller right here, this momentum down. Notice there's not been a seller for XRP yet, or this is Shiba Inu's chart right here. So see this sell alert right here? So that sell alert can minimize short-term risk. So let's say you're doing some, in addition to your long-term trading, you're doing some short-term trading, you're buying and selling, like and holding for 2 or 3 weeks, trying to make short-term profits. It can help you minimize those losses too by telling you when to sell before the crypto starts going down. All right. So that's what it can do as well. Said a different way, you don't ride all that profit down and not put that profit in your pocket, right? Because think of it this way, like XRP, from here all the way to here was good. Now notice XRP hasn't gone down. It started consolidating because that's what's going on in the market. But if the market could have started going down, right? If the market would have started going down from boom, going down like that, then that would have kept you from losing a lot of the profits you got here in this massive run up. So it gave you the perfect time to sell. All right. Lock in those profits, put them in your pocket. And for about $1 a day, it's not a bad deal. Okay. That's what the software costs. Okay. By the way, there are trading indicators out there that are $200 a month. And I tried to shape mine. I figure $1 a day is not a bad price to help give you perfect insight, knowing when to buy, when to sell, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So take it for a test spin if you're interested. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. We'll find out later today what happens, but this is a big day. All right. See you. Bye.